Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this fall inspired look right here. So if you like it or you're ready to get into the fall spirit, make sure you stay tuned and let's jump right into this video. Alright guys, so to start the look today we're going to take the P. Louise base in shade number 2 and apply this all over our lid. Alright, so now that we're done with our base, we're going to go ahead and go in with the eyeshadows. And the eyeshadow palettes that we're using for today's look is the Armed and Gorgeous palette from Morphe and Jaclyn Hill, as well as the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill Ring the Alarm palette to create our fall look today. So to start the look, we're going to be going ahead and we're going to go in with that Armed and Gorgeous palette that I showed you. And we're going to go in with this color right here called Access and use this as our transition or our base shade and put this all in the crease. So next in the palette we're going to take the shade Secure, which is right here, and Agent, which is right here, and we're going to start applying that just a little bit lower in the crease with a bit of a smaller brush. Alright, now we're going to take the Ring of the Alarm palette and take the shade Mugshot, which is right here. And we're just going to darken up the outside of the eye just a little bit more. Alright, I think today we're going to go in for the cut crease. So we're going to take that P. Louise base that we used to prime our eyes today, and we're going to take a really precise flat brush like this to do the cut crease with today. So I put a dab of that on the back of my hand so I can cut the crease today, and I'll be right back once that's all done. Now that we've done our cut creases, it's time to add some color. And the color that I'm going to be going in today with is this shade On Camera right here. And I'm going to be blending it with Mugshot again to blend out the outside area that we did here. So I'm going to be blending the two shades together. Now the last thing we have to do is add an inner corner highlight and a brow bone highlight. Then we can set this look and add some lashes. So for the inner corner highlight and brow bone highlight, I will be going back in with the Armed and Gorgeous palette and using the shade VIP right here. These are the Style San Diego from Lily Lashes, and these are going to be the lashes that we're using today. So let me apply these and I'll be right back. Alright guys, I got my lashes all on, and that is pretty much a look all complete. So if you enjoyed this fall inspired eyeshadow tutorial, please make sure you like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.